Before buying a DTG printer, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Lian M100 Photo Printer. Let's kick things off with the Lian M100, a portable photo printer that's just $171.63. What caught my attention is its super user-friendly design and impressive portability. If you want vibrant, high-quality prints on the go, this is worth a serious look. The Lian M100 uses dye sublimation technology, which means the colors penetrate the paper for stunning, long-lasting photos. You get 100 sheets of photo paper included, so you can start printing right away. Plus, it connects via Wi-Fi and USB, so you can print directly from your smartphone or tablet with ease. This is key because you won't have to deal with messy wires or complicated setups. With over 7,000 units sold in the past month, it's clearly a popular choice among users. Now, some people complained about needing to clean the print head if smudging occurs. Here's the thing though, that's pretty standard with dye printers, and most users find it manageable. Just make sure to follow the cleaning steps and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you want a compact and easy-to-use printer for casual printing needs. Skip this one if you're looking for something heavy-duty or for large batch printing. For the price, it's a solid option. Now, if the need for cleaning concerned you, the next option is a bit more advanced and might fit your needs better.
Product number 2, SYX IN-GLA3 DTG printer. Next up is the SYX IN-GLA3 DTG printer, priced at $6,297.68. This machine is designed for serious small businesses. If you're looking to print on a wide variety of materials, from clothing to accessories, this is worth a serious look. This printer eliminates the pre-treatment steps usually required in DTG printing, saving you time and hassle. It also features a small size that doesn't take up too much space, but still has a strong metal build for durability. The A3 suction platform and automatic stirring system help reduce the risk of clogged print heads, which is a common issue in the industry. This printer could be a game changer for your small business if you want to offer customized apparel. However, some users have mentioned that it can be tricky to set up initially. I'll be real with you, it might not be the easiest for someone who's not tech-savvy. But once you get past that initial hurdle, the quality and capabilities are impressive. This is perfect for you if you plan to scale your printing business and need something that can handle a variety of materials. Skip this if you're just looking for occasional printing. For the investment, it could pay off if you use it right. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for ink solutions. Product number 3, Ronglink Premium DTG ink. Coming in at $386.18. If you're using a DTG printer and want reliable, high-quality ink, this is worth a serious look. This package includes 6 bottles of ink, with a total capacity of 3,000 milliliters. Each bottle is designed for high-yield performance, so you won't be replacing ink as often, which means less hassle for you. The colors are vibrant and sharp, giving you professional quality prints on every garment. It's compatible with popular printers like the SureColor F2000 and F2100, so you can trust it will work well with your setup. One downside is that some users reported occasional issues with installation. Honestly, it can be a bit finicky if you're not used to replacing printer ink, but once it's set up, the quality really speaks for itself, making that initial frustration worth it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for consistent, professional-grade ink for your DTG printing. Skip this if you're just starting and want to experiment with cheaper options first. For the quality you get, it's a good investment. Now, if you're looking for something more compact and user-friendly, the next product is just that.
Product number 4, FineQ A4 DTF printer. Now we have the FineQ A4 DTF printer, priced at $1,855.23. This machine is excellent for DIY enthusiasts and small businesses. If you want versatility in printing various items, this is worth a serious look.
This printer comes with everything you need, including DTF ink and hot melt powder, so you're ready to go right out of the box. It prints at 2280 by 1440 DPI, which means your designs will be crisp and colorful, whether you're printing on t-shirts or bags. The automatic cleaning feature is a standout, making maintenance a lot easier, especially for those who are busy running a business. However, some users mentioned that the software setup can be a bit complex for beginners. Here's the thing though, once you get through that learning curve, the end results are fantastic, and it's worth the time investment. This is perfect for you if you want an effective solution for printing on multiple types of apparel and accessories. Skip this if you're looking for something that requires less initial setup. Given the features, it provides solid value for your money. Finally, if you want a high-quality ink option that's easier on the wallet, the last product might be exactly what you need.
Product number 5, Zeepton DTG Ink 6-Pack. Last but not least is the Zeepton DTG Ink 6-Pack, priced at $391.10. If you're looking for a reliable ink replacement for your DTG printer, this is worth a serious look. This package includes a mix of black, white, cyan, magenta, and yellow inks, amounting to 3,000 milliliters total. Each bottle has high capacity, making it ideal for mass printing without frequent replacements. Users have reported vibrant colors and excellent print quality, which is exactly what you want for customer satisfaction. Plus, it's compatible with various DTG printers, which adds to its appeal. One drawback is that a few users found that the colors might not match perfectly with some fabric types. Honestly, that can happen with any ink, but it's something to be aware of. Just testing it on samples before full runs can help avoid issues. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly ink solution without compromising on quality. Skip this if you're committed to using specific brands of ink only. For the price and quality, it's a wise choice. So after looking at these 5 options, you've got a nice range from affordable to professional machines and quality inks to elevate your printing game.
To wrap it up, we've covered the Lion M100 for portable printing, the SY Sing L3A for serious businesses, Ronglink Premium DTG ink for quality, the Finekill A4 for versatility, and the Zeepton DTG ink for budget-friendly options. Each of these has its strengths, so pick what fits your needs best.